Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jana and welcome back to my channel. I have one of the easiest crochet pattern to show you. It is the blanket stitch. I absolutely love this pattern. You can make lots of things with it. Let me just show you. I made this coin pouch with a button. I also made this headband to cover my ears for winter since it is very, very cold. Let me just show you how this is done. Let's get started. Before starting with the blanket stitch, I want to show you the project I've been working on. If you did not guess it, this is going to be a wedding dress for a fashion doll. However, this is not just any wedding dress. This wedding dress is a duplicate of a well-known bride. I am not going to tell you what bride it is. This is something I'm going to be sharing with you on the next video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video that I'm doing right now. So the next video that comes out, you'll get notified. These are the two projects that I completed with the blanket stitch. This headband was made with yarn size 5 weight. This is yarn that is size 4. And for the crochet hook, I always refer, especially when I make these types of project, I refer to the label to tell me what size crochet hooks. I use a 5mm for this one, and I used a 4mm. You're also going to be needing scissors and a yarn needle. Depending on what you're going to be making, if you're going to be making this kind of little pouch, you do need a button, any kind of button, and also you need to sew the sides. You make a piece like this, and then you just fold it over, and then you sew each side to make it a pouch, and then you close and you add on a button. The buttonhole is made by skipping some stitches. If you would like to know how to make the buttonhole, leave a comment in the comment section and this could be a future video. But for right now, what I want to do is I want to give you a step-by-step tutorial how to make this stitch. The yarn that I'm going to be using is a leftover yarn that I created a cake with my yarn winder, and it is a 4 weight, so I'm going to be using a 4mm crochet. To make this project, you need to know how to do a slip knot, foundation chain, a single crochet, and a double crochet. Let's start off by making the foundation chain, but before we do a slip knot, for the foundation chain, it depends what you're going to be making. If you're going to be making something this size, you will need 18 chain. If you're going to be making this is 12. You have to remember it's in multiple of 3. We're going to start with chain 18. Make sure they're not too tight. Leave it loose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So you've got a foundation chain of 18 stitches. The next step, double crochet in the 3rd chain from hook. 1, 2, and then 3. Double crochet, yarn over, into the 3rd loop, go through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is our first double crochet. Let's do a second one. Yarn over, into the same loop that we just did our double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through. So we've got 2 double crochet in the same chain. Next, we're going to skip 2 chains. 1, 2. In this 3rd chain, we're going to do a single crochet followed by 2 double crochet. 1, 2. In this one, you do a single crochet, and then you continue with 2 double crochet, yarn over into the same chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. 1 more double crochet, yarn over into the same loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. And then we continue the same pattern. Skip 2, a single crochet into your work, into the loop, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through. Now it's 2 double crochet, yarn over into the same loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. 1 more time, yarn over into the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 more time. And then we continue. We count, we skip 2, 1, 2, into your loop for a single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now it's 2 double crochet, yarn over into the same loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 more time, a double crochet. We count again 2, 1, 2 that we skip, and then we do the same thing, a single crochet, and then a double crochet, and a second double crochet, and then we skip 1, 2. Now this is our last loop. On the last loop, you're going to be doing a single crochet into the loop, and we do a single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now, since we're at the end of our row, we need to turn. So we're going to do 2 chains that will be our turning chain. 1, 2, you turn, and then next you're going to be doing 2 double crochet in the last single crochet you just made right there. See, that's the last one. So yarn over into the single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. 1 more in the same single crochet, and that's our double crochet. So here we have 2 double crochet, and at this end we have a chain 2. The next thing, same thing as before, we skip 2, 1, 2, and then in this single crochet we do single crochet plus 2 double crochet. Same pattern again, single crochet and then 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Again, we skip 2 stitches, 1, 2. This brings us to the single crochet, and we do the same thing, a single crochet followed by 2 double crochet in that stitch. Single crochet and double crochet. Again, we skip 2, and then in the 3rd stitch we do a single crochet followed by a double crochet and 1 more double crochet, and we skip 2. When we skip 2, we skip the 2 double crochet right here. This is 1, this is 2, and this is our single crochet, which we do our pattern. Single crochet and then double crochet, 2 of them. Now we are at our last stitch. We skip 2, so this is 1, this is 2. These are the 2 double crochet. The next one is our chain 2 that we made for turning. This in the chain, the top of the chain 2, this is where we're going to do a single crochet. Just like before, we're at the end of the row, you do a single crochet in the chain 2. That's always the same thing. Like this. And then we have to turn. So our turning chain is 2 chains, 1, 2, In the single crochet we just did, we do 2 double crochet. 1, 2, and then we continue with the same exact pattern. We skip 2 stitches, or we skip the 2 double crochet, and in this single crochet we do our pattern, which is 1 single crochet followed by a double crochet. And then you continue, skip, skip, and single, and then 2 double. 1, 2, and then skip, skip, and then a single, and then 2 double. Then skip, skip, single, and 2 double. Skip, skip. Since we're at the end, on top of chain 2, we do a single crochet. Like this. If you notice, look at our pattern. It's doing the same as this pattern here. And there you go. So you just continue, and you can do as many rows as you want to. To either do a little pouch like this, you can do a blanket, you can do an afghan, but this is how this stitch is done. I hope they enjoyed this video. Don't forget to watch my next video about the wedding dress that I'm crocheting. We'll talk about the pattern and where I got the pattern. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.